Class 11th Physics, First Unit Test, 2026 to 27. Time, 1.5 hours. Total marks, 25. Section A, choose the correct option, 5 marks. Instructions, select the most appropriate answer for each question. 1. Which of the following is not a source of systematic error? A. Instrumental error. B. Personal error. C. Imperfection in experimental technique. D. Random error. 2. Which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Mass. B. Movement, momentum. C. Time. D. Energy. 3. The path traced by a projectile is called blank. A. Ellipse. B. Projection. C. Trajectory. D. Parabola. 4. The angle of projection of a projectile having its trajectory parallel to the Earth's surface is A. 0 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 60 degrees. 5. The magnitude of the resultant of two perpendicular vectors, each with a magnitude of 5 units, is A. 8.46 units. B. 6.23 units. C. 5.34 units. D. 7.07 units. Section B. Answer the following in one sentence. 5 marks. Instructions. Answer all 5 questions. 1. What is meant by the resolution of a vector? 2. Define the meaning of accuracy and precision. 3. A bullet is fired vertically upward with an initial velocity of 30 meters per second. What is the maximum height that it will reach? Take g equals 10 meters per second squared. 4. Which physical quantity has a direction along the line of motion of the object and has dimensions that of length? 5. Define a parsec. Section C. Answer the following, any 5, 10 marks. Instructions. Each question carries 2 marks. 1. What are derived quantities? State any 2 examples of derived quantities. 2. With the help of a diagram, prove that vector addition is commutative. 3. Differentiate between displacement and path length. 4. Solve the provided numerical problem regarding motion, as referenced in the source. 5. With the help of a diagram, prove that vector addition is associative. 6. The radius of a circle is 2.56 meters. Find its area in correct significant figures. Section D. Answer in brief. 5 marks. Instructions. Solve either option 1 or option 2. Option 1. 1. Using the dimensional method, prove that 1 joule equals 10 to the power of 7 ergs. 3 marks. 2. State and explain the triangle law of addition of vectors. 2 marks. Or, option 2. 1. Find the scalar product of 2 given vectors. 3 marks. 2. Solve the supplementary numerical problem regarding vectors/kinematics. 2 marks.